Hello guys, for today's video I thought we would do something a little bit different and sit on the floor and have a more vloggy style pack with me, because all of my stuff is currently laid out on the floor to go to Corfu this weekend with my friends, and I thought rather than doing like a really formal, let's set it up really fancy type of video, we're just going to sit on the floor and we're going to pack together, and I'm going to show you what's going in. I'm going to talk you through the packing drama. I don't even know if this all fits, so it's going to be a bit of a learning experience together on this one. So let's get packing and I can talk you through what I'm putting in, why I'm packing what I'm packing, etc. because I've tried to really be mindful of what I'm putting in this one. We're going for 4 days and we're only taking a little underseat bag, so I thought, you know what, this is going to have to be a much more mindful packing situation than just throwing in loads of options. Like, I literally have to make sure that everything going in here is stuff I'm going to wear, stuff I'm going to use, mix and match vibes, and it's all got to fit in this tiny little bag. I'll leave this one linked if you're interested in it. I'll also leave my backpack version linked. I was going to use the backpack, however, for some reason, packing some of the larger like crochet items and stuff just seemed to fit a little bit easier in here. So this seemed like the better option for this trip. Although, I don't know, I keep changing my mind. I feel like this one's just a bit deeper. Like, there is a little bit more space in here than the backpack, which, to be honest, I don't care. The backpack is great. I really like it. I used it for my trip to Dublin, but for today and for this trip, we're just going to use this one because it's easy and I know stuff fits. So I've already popped my underwear bits in the bottom of here because I thought you don't need to see those and I don't really want them on the internet. So I'm just going to start with, I think, let's start swimwear, because that will line the bottom nicely. And it's Rhiannon's birthday, which is the reason we're going. She's turning 30, so we've got a 30 balloon, and we've also got that's like the big 30 balloons, and we've got a whole like balloon arch of purple balloons. So this has like the arch kit and everything in here. So this is basically going to go in the bottom of mine, and then one of the girls is going to take the balloon arch, the 30 in their case, because they're really small. And then we also have t-shirts with her face on. You'll see this all in the Corfu vlog. I really want to get like a flipping hilarious picture of all 5 of us wearing these t-shirts, because they've got like, I'll leave it linked down below because we got it on Etsy. It was like £15 a t-shirt, but they've got like Rhiannon's face all over and then it says her name. They are absolutely hilarious and she has no idea, and it's so funny. But let's get started with swimwear. Now, swimwear, I thought about packing the 100G bikini swimsuit, but I changed my mind because I've got so many bikinis that I really want to wear. And if you saw one of the most recent weekly vlogs, I'll try and find it and link it. One of the more recent weekly vlogs, I talked about like clearing out all of my bikinis and stuff, and I sold a few of them, and I basically narrowed down to only bikinis that I really love and want to wear. So a lot of the other ones have gone, but this is what I've gone for. So this one is a new in from TikTok shop. I'll try and find a link because I'm sure it'll be on Amazon for probably cheaper, but it's just like a little floral one. So it's got a little flower on the hip and a flower in the middle. They had a white version, but I thought the black contrast one was quite cute, so I got that. I think it was like probably about £3 or something. Probably not the most ethically made, but I just thought it was really cute. This bikini top I wear to death. This is a really old misguided one, but I'll leave similar linked because it's just a nice little bandeau style. And then I've got these Calvin Klein bottoms that I got in TK Maxx years ago, but again, really handy to wear just as a little white bikini set because they go really nicely together. I would love a white triangle bikini top, however, I don't currently have one, which surprises me. I really thought I did, so we haven't got one of those. This one I got in Bali last year. This is from a brand called Lilikoi. It was a Aussie brand. These are a size large and they are so small. Like, they were honestly, like, they're tiny and they're supposedly a large. They're not a large, but those are the bottoms and then this is the top. So it's like a little like bandeau-y vibe. It's really cute. So that one's there. I've got a black bikini top just to go with the flower side bottoms, just because I thought it'd be nice to have an extra one. And then I've got this leopard print one from Mango that I've had for years, because this is a really good tanning one. But that is my swimwear. I have like 7,000 bikinis that I would have packed, but I just thought, let's be realistic, we're there for 3 days. I don't really need that many bikinis. So I thought a neutral, a white, a black, and a leopard print would be perfect. Then let's go clothing. First things first, pajama shorts. The pajama shorts are because I'm planning to wear the top of Rhiannon's face as my pajama top for the evenings, because there's no point packing loads. We're limited on space, so it just makes sense. So that is that. Then for clothing, I've got this striped set, which I thought would be good as like a mix and match. So I've got the striped shorts and the striped shirt, great for chucking on over swimwear. Also thought I could mix and match really well with another bottoms. So I can wear the shorts with like basically for one day, and then I thought for another day I could do like either my white shorts with that shirt, because I thought cute combination, or this skirt with a black vest top, because it's really cute. It's like a little tie-up one. It's from Shopo, actually. I really like it. Or whether to bring the white shorts, because I'm thinking that skirt's a bit more like cutesy dressy, and I can wear it with like a little bandeau top. Or do I just go with the white shorts, because then I've got the white bandeau top? Unsure. I literally can't decide. We're going to decide in a minute. This is a little sarong. I'm going to pack that just so I can wear it around the villa and stuff when I don't want to be in like full clothes. Then this crochet dress is going in. This is from my recent Pretty Lavish haul. This is definitely a going in one because I love it so much. Okay, for evenings, I've got 3 options. So I've got this dress from Kiwi & Co, which I need to zip up. This is like a really hard to show you dress because it needs to be like on to show you it in the best way. But it's like a red high neck one. So it's got a high neck corsage, and then it's just like a red dress with this bit that goes down the back. It's really cute, but I thought satin dress, nice and minimal, easy to pack, nice and small to fold. So she's going in. I love when dresses just fold really tiny, like it just makes my day. Okay, so that's going in for one outfit. This is another outfit. So I've got a linen little top and a linen maxi skirt. Now I did think this linen maxi skirt could be a good idea for the daytime if I just pop it with a little white t-shirt. So that was kind of one of my daytime options. So I'm actually thinking I don't really need those other bits because that's like a nighttime, but then also the skirt. Okay, so we've got day 1, we've got the striped short set. Day 2, we've got the cover up beach dress. Day 3, we've got the maxi skirt with a top. Fine. Then for evening stuff, that's obviously one evening outfit. I was thinking of maybe putting in this top and then having that as a second evening outfit again, but doing like this little off the shoulder top with the same skirt with like a slick bum with a scrunchie. I thought it could be quite cute. So then that's like 1, 2, 3 outfits, and then I don't really need to pack another one. However, I think I might chuck in this dress. This is my new Beckham Bridge one that I got from Vinted. It's just like a white plain dress. Again, really good for day or evening. And I just thought it was a safe option for taking. But now I don't know. I've got space, like I've still got quite a bit of room in here. Let me put shoes in and then we can decide. Okay, so shoes I'm taking. Black flip-flops, essential. These are my Havaianas. They come everywhere with me. Like I honestly don't think I do a trip without them. And then I've also got these ones, which are my like evening sandals. They're from Boohoo. They are very much on their last leg, but I love them and I'm yet to find something that is as good. They're just really nice, flat, like minimal sandals. I wear them all the time on holiday, but they're a good evening option. So they're going in. And then I've got some white ones, which I really need to give a quick scrub in the sink. So these are gonna go on the top, like just in, but they're a little bit yellow at the moment, so I need to give them a wash. They were pure white. Now they look a bit worse for wear. Okay, my tripod. This is my trusty little sidekick. It comes everywhere with me when I go on trips. It's just like a little tripod-y one. I honestly can't fault it. It's the best thing. So she's going in. I want to make sure that the back of this is like easy to fling over my shoulder without like something digging into my side, because it did last time and it drove me insane. Okay, let's pop that in the top. I've got this little hole here that I'm keeping just as a like, just in case. Or maybe I put my accessory bits in there, like my like chargers and stuff, because I need to take adapters and things, don't I? That's all of the outfit bits in there. I haven't packed that Beckham Bridge dress yet, so that's like a still TBC vibe. This is my little makeup bag, which I've chucked everything into. Now, I always get through security just with my makeup and skincare in this. This is all I take with me. So I've got my brow glue in here, I've got my moisturizer, my cleanser, my hair pomade, like slick back stuff. All of my makeup is in here, my eye serum, like a little mini perfume, a hair oil, a moisturizer, like it all fits in this. I've never had an issue getting through security with this, and even if I do, a lot of what's in here is not liquid. I just chuck it all in for ease. So when it goes through, normally they're completely fine with it because they're just like, yeah, fine, whatever, go through, like doesn't matter. So it should be good, and I should have 0 issues on that one. So she's gonna go in there. I just wanna make sure that it shuts and it's not too like out, if you know what I mean. Like I don't want it to be too like wide and then I get in trouble for it being too wide. Oh, now I've hit the point where I'm starting to have a bit of a flap because I don't really know what to do. Right, that can go in there like that. So that's all my makeup and stuff. We're gonna buy a hair, like shampoo and conditioner and stuff between us in the airport, so that I don't need to worry about right now. I could stand my shoes at the end actually, that might actually help the situation. Yeah, they fit there, that's actually really handy. I don't know why I've not done that before. So my shoes fit on the end there, and if I need to squash it into the bag thing, I can do that, that's fine. Okie doke. So what else have we got that needs to be manoeuvred around? Adapters, they can go in, they can just get chucked in the top. I'm not being too precious about the stuff that's thrown in on top because it doesn't really matter, does it? These can go on the side, that's my tripod. I still haven't decided on the shorts and stuff, that's still a bit of a TBC. So we've got my makeup brushes here that are in a little pouch. There is a zip pocket in this bag. I think I'm going to try and put that in there. Is it going to fully fit? Yes. Just to keep them a bit... Oh, it doesn't really fit. Okay, maybe we'll put that in the very front pouch then or something. But I've got my like makeup sponge and my makeup brushes in little pouches, which is really handy for not going all over everything. I was really worried that these are going to go everywhere. I might need to think of a solution for that because I'm not 100% sold on that situation that I've done. Okay, sunglasses, we're gonna go classic Ray-Bans, cute. I've also got my Pradas, which I'm thinking I'm gonna take because I just absolutely adore my Pradas. And then I've got these, which are from Kiwi & Co. They're new ones and I think they're really cool. So they're gonna go in. I don't feel like that's too bad. I think you get 10 kilos, but this is definitely not 10 kilos. I'm really worried about this makeup sponge going everywhere. Will it be alright? I don't know. We'll see. Right, so those are going in there. My passport, I believe, is still in the front. I put it in yesterday. Yeah, passport's in there. So what I'm going to do is put my passport and my Kindle in this front pouch. And like anything I need specifically on the plane. So like if I need my vlog camera or something, that can go in the side. And then I'm going to pack one of my Uniqlo bags in the top of here, just so I can have like a Uniqlo dumpling bag around me in the airport with my essentials, and then I can chuck it in to get through because we all know that it's like a pain in the bum to get through. So hairbands, they need to go around my hairbrush. Okay, change of plan. I think all these little random bits I'm going to pop into a packing cube in here because it's easier to get it in and out. So this is when I start to find it really difficult. I'm just a bit worried that the size of the bag is going to be an issue, but I think we'll be okay. Okay, and then I need to just pop in these random bits. So I'm thinking, do I packing cube it into this little space, because that packing cube fits perfectly, and just put all of these bits in, because then they're not kind of loose flying around when I'm trying to empty bits like security and stuff, and it stops the brushes going all over the bag. So I'm thinking that's a good shout. And I can just put my hairbrushes in there, the adapter plugs, my chargers, etc. But actually, I have this. So I bought this in Berlin, I think, but it's a charger adapter that goes into EU plugs, but it's got a USB and a USB-C. So this charges my phone and my watch / like something charging my headphones or whatever really easily, which is so handy. So I always take it with me because it's just a nice little thing to have. I'm also going to pack my hay fever tablets because, guys, honestly, this year, she's having a sitchy with it. Right, so that's that all packed, fine. And then my Kindle is going to go in the front of here with my headphones and my passport, and then my phone can obviously slot in there as well. I'm not going to bother taking cards because I know I can use my Apple Pay and I've got ID with my passport. And then for a bag, I don't know whether to take, help me out on this one, I don't know whether to take this bag because it's more like beachy vibes and it's really cute. I got this in Bali last year. It's just got sunflowers all over, which are my favourites. Or whether to just take this one, which I'm thinking is slightly better option because, yeah, this is a better option. It goes smaller. But this is just one of the Uniqlo dumpling bags. And I figured I can use it around the airport, but it also can just squash into the top of here. And then when I do this up, it's not going to be like in the way or causing an issue or anything. Like that's just ready to go. I just don't know if that's going to fit in the Ryanair thing, basically, because it has to fit in that, in the EasyJet thing. I don't know, you know when you just keep opening it because you question your choices? Right, we're just going to leave it. We're not going to touch it anymore. That's packed. It does all fit perfectly, and I think it'll be fine. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this kind of chaotic, pack with me, realistic vibe, because let's be honest, there's a lot of packing videos on the internet that are perfection. People pack really well, it's all beautifully done, and I think while that's really lovely, it's not always realistic, and a lot of us do have a bit of a chaotic packing situation, especially when you are trying to pack for an entire 4 days into one of these because it's quite the challenge, especially as a girl with makeup and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how I crammed all of that in there. I'm not quite sure how I did it, but we got there. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more from me, and I'll see you in my next video where I will be potentially in the Corfu vlog because I'm going to vlog the whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you then.